Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to do the continuation reading part of the chapter 4, the northern mountains and the northern plains. We have completed the reading part of the lesson, the northern mountains, the Himalayan mountains, right? The greater Himalayas, the middle or lesser Himalayas, the lower Himalayas, and importance of Himalayas, life in the Himalayas. So in today's class we are going to continue the reading part from the northern plains, the NORTHERN, northern, PLAINS, plains. Okay, plains are large stretches of flat land, STRETCHES, stretches of flat land. Such areas of land are usually fertile, 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 and have a climate suitable, SUITABLE, suitable for agriculture, AGRICULTURE, agriculture. They are suitable for large scale farming, FARMING, farming. It is easy to construct buildings on plains. Most industries, 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 most industries develop along the banks of rivers because of easy availability of water, AVAILABILITY, availability of water. People prefer to settle down in the plains because of these reasons. As a result of all these plains are generally GENERALLY, generally well populated and grow into cities. The northern or Indo-Gangetic plain, INDO, Indo, GANGETIC, Gangetic plains are amongst the largest and the most fertile plains in the world. They are located to the south of the Himalayan range. They cover the greater part of North India and are hence known as the northern plains. These plains extend, extend 3,200 kilometers across east to west and or 240 to 320 kilometers wide, spanning, SPANNING, spanning from Punjab in the west to parts of Assam, ASSAM, Assam in the east, covering states like Haryana, 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 Uttar Pradesh, UTTAR, Uttar, PRADESH, Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, 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 West Bengal, WEST, West, BENGAL, West Bengal, and Delhi. Throughout, THROUGH, throughout, there expands, EXPANSE, expands, they remain a broad, 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 flat and level region. These plains are extremely, EXTREMELY, extremely fertile because of two reasons. One, they are very well drained, 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 due to the perennial rivers, PERENNIAL, perennial rivers, originating, ORIGINATING, originating in the Himalayas, flowing through them. 2. The rivers bring along with them pieces of rock, 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 sand, 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 and silt, SILT, silt. The finer silt, when deposited, DEPOSITED, deposited by the rivers, forms the highly fertile alluvium, alluvium, alluvium. The fertile plains make agriculture profitable. profitable, profitable. There are three large river basins, basins, that form the northern plains. The Ganga basin in the center, the Ganga, Ganga, the Ganga basin in the center, the Satluj basin in the west, Satluj, Satluj basin in the west, the Brahmaputra basin in the east, Brahmaputra, the Brahmaputra basin in the east. These rivers cover a large area and form a network throughout the plains. Children, we continue the remaining part in the next class. Once go through the today's part. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.